So today we have Amazon, Tesla, and also Nvidia. So you can see the market is coming down, and look at the S&P is coming down. So I just short 1,000 share on the Tesla, and because the market and S&P shows the market is coming down, so I just opened one position on the Tesla, and all this trade takes around 5 minutes, I think. But Nvidia was a little tricky actually, so you will see it. I just put my TP on the Tesla. It was around 600, and I just leave it. So, and then I open one position on Nvidia, and you will see what happened. Nvidia will also goes to the around 1,000 or 1,200 in loss. So, but why I keep it? Because the S&P shows the market coming down. So I just open 1,000 share on the Nvidia. I just move my target in Tesla, and I come back to Nvidia to open one sell position, short position. I just short 1,000 share on Nvidia. Why? Because the market show is coming down. So I just hit the bottom, and the Nvidia is coming also down and up. So I just open 1,000 sell on the Amazon, but Amazon takes a little very easy actually. So, and here you can see the Tesla coming down and hit the target, so I just get that $600. So here we can see, so now I have only Nvidia and Amazon. I just because the market was very dancing a lot, so that's why I took my TP very low. So, and I just want to be sure about it. So S&P also coming down, and is a big shadow from downside, so that's why. And Nvidia is go up around 1,000 and 1,200 in the loss. So, and I just keep it in this position in this situation. So that's why, because the S&P shows is coming down. So, and I just put my stop loss on the top. This was around 1,500, and I just waited to hit the target. And on the Amazon you can see is around to hitting the target. Just waited. So you can see on Amazon, here is just touch the target. So now I have only Nvidia on the screen. So it's coming down, and now here I was just a little confused actually as should I sell and close my position or not. I just waited because the S&P was also showing the coming down, so I just waited until to hit the target. So here you can see exactly what happened. So S&P coming down, and Nvidia also hit the target. So here is hit our target. It was not too much, but I don't like to risk a lot actually. So here I'll just close it. So yeah, as you can see in my balance, it was around 1,068. So that was for today. It was very quick, and also it took also around 4 or 5 minute trade. So but was very risky actually. So here was all the trade. So yeah, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.